Can you solve all these biochemistry questions? Abbreviate AB.
You chose International Union of Biochemistry, and it is correct.
Father of biochemistry.
Bravo. Carl Neuber is the answer.
Biochemistry is a science of.
Well reasoned. Chemistry is the correct choice. Macromolecules found in life. Excellent choice. Biomolecules is the right answer. Biochemistry is the study of. Solid response. Chemicals in cells is a valid choice.
Who is father of biochemistry?
You're right. Carl Neuberg is the correct answer. 6 Biochemistry is also called DASH. Exactly. Biological chemistry makes sense.
Study of biomolecules is called as.
Nice selection. Biochemistry is the correct and valid answer. Where does biochemistry takes place? Well picked. Cell is the correct answer. Who discovered comparative biochemistry? Valid point. Cornelis van Nijl is true.
Biochemistry is used for the understanding.
Correct. A and B is the right answer. If you know biochemistry, you can relate too. Well done. Medicine is the right choice.
The study of what living things are made of.
Smart move. Biochemistry is an accurate answer.
Biochemistry plays an important role in DASH.
Great thinking. Nursing is the right choice. The study of the chemistry of the living world. Correct response. Biochemistry is the most accurate answer.
Who is the biochemistry student representative?
Nicely done. Romaine Watson is a solid answer.
The study of compounds that do not contain carbon.
Perfect. Inorganic chemistry is the correct choice.
Study about the chemical process in living things refers to.
You got it. Your choice biochemistry is right.
Biochemistry is defined as the study of dash in living things.
Clear logic. Your choice chemistry is sound.
How many chiral amino acids are designated as L in biochemistry?
Right again. 19 is a valid answer.
What department is celebrating their 25th anniversary this year?
On track. Life sciences is the correct answer.
The name biochemistry was coined in 1903 by a German chemist named.
Smart pick. Carl Neuberg is the correct choice.
Which of the following is not a major biomolecule in biochemistry?
Right choice. Nucleotide is the best answer. The study of all compounds that contain bonds between carbon atoms. Strong choice. Organic chemistry is the right answer.
The following field may be associated with the application of biochemistry.
Excellent. Medical and pharmaceutical is a brilliant choice.
It is the study of chemical processes within and relating to living organisms.
Nice work. You chose biochemistry and it is correct. Which science examines the structure of living organisms at the atomic level? Good job. Biochemistry works well here.
The study of chemical reactions pertaining to living things and life processes.
Good thinking. Biochemistry is the right answer.
5 focuses on the biochemistry of human beings and their medical illnesses.
Sharp thinking. Human biochemistry is the right choice.
The science which deals with chemical nature and chemical behavior of living matter.
Great job. Biochemistry is the accurate answer.
Dash is the study of molecular functioning, which is essential for carrying out life.
Correct. Biochemistry is the right answer.
Which of the following is a topic that would not help with the concept of biochemistry? Tess.
You're right. Nietzsche's is the correct answer.
Which biochemistry area that describe the language for communication inside and between cells?
Right choice. Informational is the best answer.
A discipline in biochemistry is the description of molecules in biology chemistry of proteins.
Valid point. Biochemistry is true.
Which of the following is the study of energy relationships and conversions in biological systems?
Nice selection. Bioenergetics is the correct and valid answer.
Which of these terms is the study of the molecules and atoms needed for the function of living things?
Strong choice. Biochemistry is the right answer.
Which biochemistry area that describe the structure and three-dimensional arrangements of biomolecules?
On track. Conformational is the correct answer.
Match the definition. The branch of science which studies the chemical processes within living organisms.
You got it? Your choice, biochemistry, is right.
The branch of biology which deals with the study of chemical reactions occur in living organisms is called.
Great thinking. Biochemistry is the right choice.
The branch of science that deals with the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms.
Good job. Biochemistry works well here.
The branch of science concerned with the chemical and physico-chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms.
Bravo. Biochemistry is the answer.
Identify this level of biochemistry.
Excellent. Atom is a brilliant choice.
Who is the father of biochemistry according to the video?
Smart pick. James Dewey Watson is the correct choice.
To what department does the building in the image represent?
Nicely done. Chemistry is a solid answer.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Right again. Contact Narayan Chengder is a valid answer.